everybody, welcome to my channel. We are currently at Walgreens. I'm pretty excited to share with you guys some deals, a lot of register reward deals, but I am pretty excited for that. So not really anything going on. I still have like a phlegmy throat, but I am still trying to work on my Walgreens 101 video, and I'm working on a ton of tutorial things. I have a lot of videos like programmed for the next couple weeks, which is awesome. So you guys will definitely want to check that out, and I have a lot more stuff in mind. I just can't do it with my throat the way it is. But anyways, we're gonna go inside on this crappy cold morning. It is raining on and off. If you guys are not new to my family, but we celebrated the husband's birthday yesterday, so he turned 40. So if you guys are a fan of Graham, he will watch this video and he will read the comments. Make sure you guys wish Graham a happy birthday. We enjoyed the day going out to eat because that's his favorite thing to do. So the kids spent the night at Grandma and Grandpa's and we hung out. We finally watched the Maverick movie. We've been wanting to watch that for weeks. We watched a little bit of it like a month or so ago, and then we finally finished it last night. So everybody wish Graham a happy 40th birthday. My birthday is coming up in August, but let's go inside and have some fun. So here we can get the Glide or the floss picks if you guys want to get that. You can also get the toothpaste for $5. There are some toothbrushes for $5, but then you can also get some mouthwashes, which is the deal that I'm going to get because I haven't gotten mouthwash, but they're currently $5. We currently have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that you guys will want to use. You will buy 3 of them, pay 10 bucks, but then you get a $5 register reward, making these just $5 or $1.66, $1.67 each, which is a great deal for the mouthwash. Not a good deal for the toothpaste, not a good deal for the toothbrushes, but for the mouthwash, it's an okay deal, and also for the floss picks. Okay, so my store is still putting tags out, but I think this is a sale. So we have the Dentex for, they say $3.79, but the app is showing that they are 2 for $5. So depending on what rings up when I get to the register, but you want to get these for 2 for $5. Then they're also showing up buy one, get one 50% off right here. So one would be $2.50, another one would be $1.25. Then we currently have a 2 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys would want to use. You'll end up getting both of them just for $1.75 or 87 cents each, which is a great deal. So here we have the Tom's deodorant men's and women's. These are on sale this week for $4.99. Now we currently have a $1 off digital coupon that we have, so you'll end up paying $3.99, but then you get a $3 cash rewards when you purchase the one. Makes them just 99 cents, which is a pretty great deal. So here we have the L'Oreal Men Expert hair coloring. So these are on sale this week for $9.99, and then they have a deal where if you spend $15 you get a $4 register reward. So usually for this kind of a deal you're not supposed to pay with points, but from what I heard you can pay with points if it involves with a register reward. I'm not sure. I'm gonna try to test it out. We'll see how it goes. But anyways, these are $9.99. You're gonna buy 2 of them. We currently have 2 digital coupons. We have a $4 off one and a $3 off one, so you'll get $7 off the 2. You'll end up paying just $12.98, but I forgot to scan it with the IBOTTA app. But you get a $3 men's rebate with IBOTTA, so you get $6 back with IBOTTA. It is a limited 2, and you'll get that $4 register reward, making it just $2.98 or $1.49 each. So definitely check out your clearance, you guys. My CoverGirl, I have some good stuff. So here we have these concealers for $3.99. Now we do have some insert coupons, I think, but we also have some digital coupons. I scanned the item. The digital is not coming off, but we will see when we get to the register if it comes off or not. But these are also buy one, get one 50% off. So you're gonna get 2 of them. You'll end up just getting them for $5.98. You'll pay $5.98 for 2 of them. but there is an IBOTTA deal where you guys will get $3 back with a limit of 5. So you'll end up getting these both for free. You'll get $6 back and get both of those free even without the coupon. If you have that coupon, it ends up becoming a $3 moneymaker. So definitely check that out. My store also has these eyeliners for $3.99. Again, buy one, get one 50% off. We have a different IBOTTA rebate where you get $3 back. So these also will become for free. My store has sold out of the mascaras for $5 and $4.99. And then we also have some other concealer for $6.99 and some of these other makeup things for $4.29. So these would most likely would be a couple cents more, which is still a great deal. I did look, we do have some $3 off coupons. This is the only inserts that I have, but definitely a awesome moneymaker if you guys need some of that stuff. So here's an okay deal. We have the Pantene for $5 on sale. You're gonna buy 2 of them. We currently have a 2 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay $8 for 2 of these, but then you get a $4 register reward. This is the deal of the week, so you might have to watch out on that. But anyways, you will end up getting these for just $4 or $2 each if you want to go ahead and do that. Here we have the Garnier Fructis, and we also have the whole blends. We did receive some $3 off of 2 digital coupons. There was also some printables if it didn't expire yet, but you would use that 3 off of 2, making these $5 or $2.50 each. Not a great deal, but in case you are low and you need some, it's an okay deal. So here we have the Crest Brilliance, the 3D. These are on sale this week for $7. Now we currently have a we have a $3 off digital coupon. That's the only one I could find for 1 coupon. So we have that $3 off coupon. You will pay $11 for 2 of these, but then you can submit your receipt to the IBOTTA app. I have too many things up. You can submit your receipt for the IBOTTA app for $2 back. It is a limit of 3, so you'll get $4 back with IBOTTA. And there is a deal where if you buy 2, you get a 75-cent bonus. So you will end up getting these for just $2.25 or $1.12 if you guys are interested in something with this. Make sure you're checking out your store. We have these Ayers Carolina Reaper whatever's for 29 cents. I'm gonna get one for my husband. 29 cents, can't go wrong with that. I also found these Takis chips, the Fuego, for 49 cents. So deal, definitely a deal if you guys need some of those chips. Make sure you're checking out your clearance. So my store has this Depends on sale for $9.49 on clearance. Now we currently have a $2 or $1 off digital coupon that I have. So use that $1 off digital coupon. You'll pay $8.49. But then there is a $2 IBOTTA rebate that I got for this. And Shopkick has a deal where you get 1,205 points for purchasing and scanning the product, which is actually $4.82. So if you think about it, $9.49, you get that $1 off, you get that $4.82 plus the $2 for IBOTTA, and then you also get points for Fetch Rewards. Comes out to be $1.67. $1.67 for a pack of Depends. I know a lot of people like using these, so a great deal. Hello everybody, welcome back, and yes, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. Now, I was pretty excited to share with you guys some deals, but my store was just slacking on putting a lot of tags up. Another thing is I was scanning products and nothing was showing up for digital coupons. It's kind of wonky around that time when I am shopping because like the update, because like the app is still like updating with all the new coupons and stuff. And so like I'm still waiting for them to put tags up. I'm still waiting for them for the app to just show up, and just stuff wasn't like just in there. But there was some good deals. Like with Olay, I was trying to figure out what was a good deal, and then like my coupons were just not popping up in the app, and I just didn't know what to search for, and I'm just like, we're gonna not deal with that right now. So yeah, so we are going to show you guys what I got. Now there is a ton of clearance, just everywhere. Now there's a lot of food clearance. If you guys are in like Walgreens, there's a Walgreens group I'm in. People are just going crazy over a lot of food deals. There was some M&Ms, there's some popcorn, there was some I don't remember what else, but I ended up getting these Taki chips, the Fuego, for like 49 cents, and then I got these Ayers Carolina Reaper like Cheeto kinds for 29 cents. The husband really likes like spicy food, so I thought we're gonna get that for that price. He's like, I'm probably gonna have to bring that to work because it might be too much for him, but I'm like, that's fine. So I just couldn't pass up, you know, getting some kind of clearance stuff. I love shopping clearance, so we got that. I ended up getting 3 of these Scopes mouthwashes. These were $5 each. We currently have that 5 off of 3 digital coupon that you guys will want to use. You will pay $5 for this, but then you will receive a $5 register reward. It is a manufacturer register reward, but you will receive that $5 register reward, and it ends up becoming just $5 for 3 of them, or $1.66 to $1.67 each, which is a pretty great deal. I haven't gotten mouthwash at my store in forever. So I'm like, we had to definitely get stocked up on the mouthwash. Now, I didn't get to check to see if these were buy a 2 for $5. The app shows that they are. So if you guys can do this online and do an in-store pickup, go for it, or you can see if your store can price check it. I didn't get a check. It was just too much. All of a sudden I get to the register and everybody in the store decides to go at the register at the same time. Plus it was a shift change, so my cashier was leaving for the day, and it was just like, okay, I didn't get to check, but that's okay. But these are supposed to be 2 for $5 and supposed to be buy one get one 50% off. And then we have that 2 off of 2 coupon. So if you guys can do that, make sure you are checking out and seeing what deal you can do on that. But I would definitely try to do like an in-store pickup. You don't get any register rewards, but definitely a great deal for that. Now I ended up getting 2 of the Tom's deodorants. Why? Because I actually had 2 different coupons. I had one that just started today, and then I had one that it's expiring soon. So I'm like, we're gonna do this deal twice. So these were $4.99. There is that $1 off digital coupon. You can do this deal as many times as you want. We do have some printable coupons. You could submit your receipt to coupons.com. So if you bought like 5 of them, you could submit your receipt to all those apps, whatever, and you can do as many as you want in the same transaction, and you can pay with points with this. So these again were $4.99. You use that $1 off digital, submit your receipt however you want it, but it comes out to be $3.99. You will get $3 cash rewards, where it comes out to be just 99 cents. So great deal if you guys want to do that. I had those 2 digital, so that's why I did it in the same transaction. I ended up getting some great deals on the CoverGirl makeup. So again, these were $3.99 on clearance. I had that, they were buy one, get one 50% off. I ended up using $3 coupons that we got from our inserts. I'm assuming last week. I don't get inserts anymore, but my father-in-law gave me those inserts because they get them. So I ended up using 2 of the $3 coupons, but either you'll pay $5.98 and you can do these as many as you want as long as you follow the limit for the IBOTTA rebates, or you would pay $2.98, and then you could, if you wanted to, you could also submit your receipt to coupons.com or Shopee, I think, for the other half of the 3, so it ends up becoming a money-maker. So it's up to you guys, but you would submit your receipt to IBOTTA, where you get $3 back, $3 back, $3 back, $3 back. So I got $12 back for buying these 4. They end up either coming free or a $3.02 moneymaker if you buy 2 of them. So that is a great deal if you guys need some CoverGirl makeup. So definitely check out. My store had a ton of makeup clearance. Like Essie was on clearance, which this morning I saw that there was an Essie coupon. I tried searching for it. I couldn't find it. I could not find it. And then there's a ton of L'Oreal that's on clearance. Maybelline was on clearance. Just make sure you're checking out your clearance and seeing if there's anything that you guys like that you can match up with other things. So yes. And then I also got, I ended up getting this Depends for, I know my mom might want to use it, but these were on clearance for $9.49. I used that $1 off digital coupon. You would pay $8.49 for this, but then you get $2 back with IBOTTA, and then I got 1,205 points with Shopkicks, making this just $1.67. So I think $1.67 for this is a great deal. If you guys have this, definitely see if your store has this on clearance. If you guys need to see the UPC code, that is the UPC code. So if you guys need to check your store and see if your store has this, it might be hidden clearance. You never know. You never know. But yes. Then I did this deal separate, you guys. Now I was told when you do deals like this, you can pay with points. I've always said people do not do that. And people are like, yes, you can. No, you can't. So these were $9.99 each. I had a $3 off digital and a $4 off digital. You would pay $12.98. But you will get a $4 register reward. Now my register reward did not print off because I paid with points. Okay? I paid with points. The register reward to print off. They did give me points for that deal. But do not pay with Walgreens cash, Walgreens points when it is a spend deal. Just giving you guys a heads up. So you do not want to pay with any points. You can pay with register rewards to lower your out-of-pocket. You might need a filler item, may or may not need a filler item. But you would get a $4 register reward, and then you can submit your receipt for $3 and $3 back with IBOTTA, making both of these just $2.98 or just $1.49 each. So if you guys need that, it's an okay deal. And then this is the last item I got. Now, this might not be the greatest deal for everybody, but I got it because I got a discount, so I'm like, this ends up being even cheaper for me. So these were $7. $7 for the Crest 3D toothpaste. We currently have a $3 digital coupon. So you're going to do that. You'll pay $11 for 2 of these. But then you can submit your receipt to IBOTTA where you get $2 back and $2 back. And then you also will receive a $4 register reward. And when you purchase the 2 of these together, or separate transactions, however you guys want to do, but you want to purchase them together for the register reward. But when you purchase 2 of them, you'll get a 75-cent IBOTTA bonus. So this comes out to be just $2.25 or $1.14. Now usually we say do not pay for toothpaste, but sometimes the specialty stuff you do got to pay a little bit more for. So if you guys are interested in that, I just love the little glaze on that. So that is a pretty okay deal for that. So my total came to $42.84. Now I do not pay that price out of pocket. I always pay with actually I did not have any register rewards to pay with this week, but I did pay with points. So yeah, $42.84. I did receive $13 worth of register rewards. That is the 9 and the 4, and then if you figure out the other 4 that did not print that they gave me points for. I did receive $6.58 of points. The $6 came from the 2 Tom's deodorant products that I bought. I did receive $24 back from IBOTTA. I ended up getting 5 or 6, I think 5 rebates from IBOTTA, 4 or 5 rebates from IBOTTA, which is $24. And then I got that 75-cent bonus. Shopkicks, I got 1,205 points, which is $4.82. And then Fetch Rewards, I submitted my receipt and I got 290 points, which is 29 cents. So that is awesome. So my grand total came to be a $6.60 moneymaker. If it wasn't for that CoverGirl, it would have been a little bit zero, but I'm happy with a $6.60 moneymaker. So it's awesome. Hopefully you guys get some deals. Definitely check out some other deals. I wanted to share with more, but just my store and the app just is not going in my favor, but everything did work out in my favor. So make sure you guys give this video a great big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel already. You help me out by subscribing. I help you out by saving. It's a win-win situation. And I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.